Welcome. If you've ever pondered the enchantment of IPTV on Hisense Smart TVs, your answer unfolds right here today. Today, we're exploring if your Hisense TV can seamlessly support the rich entertainment universe that IPTV offers. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, revolutionizes how we access multiple channels. But what's the compatibility with Hisense TVs? First, let's delve into checking our TV's compatibility to bring IPTV to life, adding unprecedented diversity and choice. Our goal is straightforward. Explore how to effortlessly connect IPTV to supercharge your TV viewing experience. After ensuring compatibility, the next hurdle is setting it up correctly. Follow these simple steps for success. Tap into the plethora of online forums and resources if you hit any snags, ensuring a seamless experience. Now that you're set up, behold an endless world of shows, movies, and news at your fingertips. For best viewing results, high-speed internet is key. Ensure your setup is optimal for smooth streaming. Looking for a reliable IPTV provider? We recommend 2TV.store, offering an excellent selection of channels. So, enhance your viewing experience with IPTV on Hisense TVs and dive into this new wave of entertainment.